i35equipment.com. This is Komatsu D51 EX-22 Bulldozer. Welcome you to come look at this machine over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. You can bring your mechanic and operator with you, or hire some local ones to look it over with you if you like. Like I said, just give us a call to get on the calendar. Also, hauling is available to your farm or job site. Please just fill out that form on our website. Be happy to look into that for you. It does have 2 front working work lights as well as 2 rear working work lights. Rear rippers there with 3 shank teeth. The machine has a 6-way blade, a tree guard, see the rippers going. Got good power. That 6-way blade does have the tree bar there, tree guard. The machine also has props and sweeps and full cab and cab guard on the side and rear. Cold working air conditioning. Check it, blade out undercarriage, and let him climb out, then hop up and look at the interior. Back side of the blade. It does have a nice Komatsu seat in it. Currently showing only 5200.6 hours. Here's your ripper control. This is your blade control. This is your track control with the hydrostatic transmission there. Throttle, HVAC. Let's see, here's your windshield wipers and your radio. Let's check that radio out and see if it works working. Sounds like there's not real good reception here today. Let's try a different station.
What worship music does to your day.
It's on. Probably depends on where you're at with the reception. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Hope it's beneficial to you. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Just call 405-833-6437. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.